Great challenges are solved by innovative solutions. Crafting those solutions starts with you. You come from all over the world. You have unique backgrounds. You work across different industries and use different tools. But what binds you as a community is not just the desire to innovate, but the skill to do so. And that skill grows with us. It is the opportunity to explore cutting-edge technology, optimize your technical skills, engage with your peers, and celebrate your hard work. It's your chance to gather knowledge and insights so you can make an impact faster. There's only one place where your digital transformation gets real: fast.